Shepherding hope is not just a slogan. We're shepherding hope in the lives of people, making a difference in the lives of people. Shepherding hope is a need. Shepherding hope has to be a reality for us as a community and for our kids. That is what we're called to do. We are not just building a school. We're building communities.
Talking about community, even praying about community is very important, but ultimately, the way you build community is to do community.
We are building much more than a building. We're rebuilding this city. Parts of this city and this neighborhood have not been touched since Katrina. We're also building a neighborhood, one that will impact lives of not just our kids, but community members. People will move back in this neighborhood. Economic development, new housing, job training for those in the community. It'll all take place at the Good Shepherd School. And the Good Shepherd School will serve as a catalyst for growth, a catalyst to rebuild this once great neighborhood, a working class family neighborhood that meant so much to the fabric of this city. And when neighborhoods are changed, our city is changed. Our city grows, our city thrives. The Good Shepherd School is doing just what the city of New Orleans needs. A whole city block is alive now. It's alive because the young people of the Good Shepherd School will walk these very grounds starting in August. Kids whose futures will be impacted by this school will be at this location. Young people who will make a difference not just today, but for many years to come in the city of New Orleans. We're more than just a school. We're a beacon for a community. The next question becomes, where does the mission go after this? It goes to every other neighborhood that needs it because of the generosity and the time and the resources of so many people who care, so many people who want to give hope to those who are hopeless. Hope is at the very heart and the very core of what we do and why we do it. It's an active hope. It's a hope that's alive. We are here to bring hope to this neighborhood. This will serve as a blueprint to bring hope to the city of New Orleans, other neighborhoods that need the mission. Shepherding hope is who we are. It is what we do and what we will always do.